Hello students, this is Ms. Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, today we are going to learn more about world map and we are going to learn how to locate different countries on the world map. So let's begin. First of all, you all need to know that students, to indicate the directions on the world map we use 4 points that are north, south, east and west. First of all, have a look at the location of north. North is at the top. The north direction is at the top. Whereas south direction is just on the opposite side of north direction, which is at the bottom. South direction is at the bottom of the world map, just opposite to the north direction. Whereas east direction is towards the right side and the west direction is towards the left side, which is opposite to the east side. So west direction is at the left side. Now you can see here all the 4 directions that we use on the world map: north at the top, south which is opposite to north at the bottom, east direction towards the right side and west direction towards the left side. So if we say that those countries that are located towards the east side, they will be considered as the eastern countries, and those countries that are located towards the west side, they will be considered as the western countries. Now students, I will be showing you the world map and we will be locating different countries on it. This is basically the question that is given on your book page number 13. In this question they are asking us to locate the following countries on the map. So here they have given us, they have mentioned the names of few countries and we have to locate these countries on the world map. So students, I will be showing you the world map and we will be locating each of these countries one by one on the world map. Okay, so students, here I have a world map. As we have discussed about the different continents and the oceans of the world map, so now here I have a world map. And do you know why do I have this world map right now? Yes, we have this world map. I have this world map to locate the countries. So together we all are going to locate different countries of the world in this world map. So students, you know, in this world map, even the countries of the continents are also mentioned so that you know which country is in which continent. Students, to tell the direction in the world map, we use north, south, east and west poles. So students, north pole is at the top and south pole is at the bottom, whereas east is at the right side and west is at the left side. So we have north at the top, south, east and west. Now students, let's see the continents, the location of the continents which we have discussed earlier as well. So students, let's see where are the continents, where are the different continents. As you all can see here, we have discussed about North America and South America. So students, here this is basically North America. This whole is North America, and here at the south side we have South America. At the top North America, at the bottom South America. Now here you can see this is Africa. This whole is Africa. And here we have, somewhere here we have Europe. We have Europe here. Then beside Europe we have this whole, the biggest continent. What is it? Which continent is it, students? It's Asia. Yes, the biggest continent is, this whole consists of Asia. This whole is Asia. So the biggest continent is Asia. And then the smallest continent, that is Australia. That is Australia. Then we also have Antarctica. Here at the bottom we also have Antarctica. Okay students, so these are the 7 continents. Now we are going to locate the countries of Asia, as it is mentioned in your question, in the question number 3 of your book. So students, let us first locate our country, that is Pakistan. So first of all we are going to locate our country, that is Pakistan, and you all know that our country Pakistan is located in the continent of Asia. So here it's the continent of Asia, and here we have the location of our country, that is Pakistan. This you all can see the location of Pakistan on this world map. And students, Pakistan, the neighboring countries of Pakistan are Iran, Afghanistan, India, and also China. As you can see that the border of Pakistan meets China, Afghanistan, Iran, and India. So now after locating our country, we are going to locate the countries, some other countries of the world map. So here in the question, as they have asked us to locate Afghanistan. So students, as I have just showed you the position of Afghanistan on this world map, you all can see that just beside Pakistan we have Afghanistan here, and the border, one of the border of, you can see this, one of the border of Pakistan meets Afghanistan. The border of Afghanistan and Pakistan meets here. Okay, so Afghanistan is the neighboring country of Pakistan. Okay, Afghanistan is the neighboring country of Pakistan. This is the one that is shown in yellow color, that is shown in yellow color. This is Afghanistan. Okay, it's the neighboring country of Pakistan, and the border of Pakistan, one of the border of Pakistan meets Afghanistan. Moving on to the next country, that is Iran. Now here we have the position of Iran. Iran is also the neighboring country of Pakistan. Iran is also the neighboring country of Pakistan. One of the border of Pakistan meets Iran. See, you can see this is the map of Iran. This is the position of Iran in the world map. And it is the neighboring country of Pakistan. As you can see that this place, this border of Pakistan is meeting Iran's border. Okay students, so this is Iran and this is Afghanistan. Okay, now let's locate the next country, which is the another neighboring country of Pakistan, which is China. You can see it's a big country. China is a big country. It has lots of people living there. So China is one of the biggest countries of Asia. So students, here is the position of China in the world map. You can see in purple color, this whole is of China. This whole is the country of China, 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 and it is also the neighboring country of Pakistan, as some of the border of Pakistan, one of the border of Pakistan also meets China. So this is China. Now students, we are going to locate another country, that is Bangladesh. Now where is Bangladesh? Let's see where is Bangladesh. Okay, here we have Bangladesh. Students, this is Bangladesh, the one that is shown in yellow color. This is the country of Bangladesh and it is the neighboring country of India. Okay students, Bangladesh is the neighboring country of India. as we have seen that India is the neighboring country of Pakistan. One of the border of Pakistan meets Afghanistan, Iran, China and India. The borders of Pakistan meets Iran, Afghanistan, China and India. Now you can see that the border of India is meeting at Bangladesh at this side. The border of India is meeting Bangladesh at this side. So we have seen the location of Bangladesh as well. Now let's find another country, that is Nepal. Now students, Nepal is also a neighboring country of India. You can see here Nepal. This is the one that is shown in green color. This is the picture of, this is the map of Nepal. This is the country of Nepal. And it is the neighboring country of India and China. So the borders of Nepal meets China from here, and the border of Nepal also meets India. So this is the country of Nepal, Nepal, Nepal. Next we have to locate Kuwait. So now students, let's locate Kuwait. Where is Kuwait? Kuwait is here. It's a small country. Kuwait is a small country. You can see here on the world map, this is the position of Kuwait. Okay, and it's the neighboring country of Saudi Arabia and Iraq. Okay students, this is Kuwait. Kuwait. Now let's locate Yemen. So where is Yemen? You all can see it's here. Yemen. Yemen. It's here. It's the neighboring country of Saudi Arabia and Oman. So the border of Yemen meets Saudi Arabia and at one side it meets Oman. Okay, so this is the one that is shown in purple color. This is the country of Yemen. Next we have to locate Russia. You know students, Russia is the biggest country of Asia. You all can see here. If we talk about the area, the largest area is occupied by Russia in the continent of Asia. In the continent of Asia, the largest area is occupied by the country of Russia. You all can see the one that is shown in yellow color. This whole is the whole area is occupied by the country of Asia from here until here. Okay, this whole is the country of Russia. Okay, so it is the biggest country of the continent of Asia. Okay, with respect to the area. See, large area is occupied by the country of Russia. Now we have to locate Sri Lanka. Let's see, where is Sri Lanka? Okay, here we have Sri Lanka. It's a small country as well. It's an island. Why do we call it island? Because it is surrounded by water from all the sides. Okay students, this is the country of Sri Lanka and it is surrounded by water from all the sides. Okay, you can see here we have water. This is surrounded by water from all the sides. So this is the country of Sri Lanka. Now the last we have to locate the country of Japan. You all can see here we have Japan. Here is the country of Japan. Japan. This is the country of Japan. So it is at the east side. Okay, it is at the east side and this is the country of Japan. So students, I hope you all have understood the location of different countries. On this world map, we have located so many countries on this world map today. We have, and all the countries that we have located today on this world map are the part of the continent of Asia. Okay, and as we have located Pakistan, we have located Afghanistan, Iran, India, Nepal, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, and China, Japan. So all these countries are the part of the continent of Asia. Okay, students, all these countries are the all these countries comes under the continent of Asia. This whole is the continent of Asia. This whole is the continent of Asia, and the largest country or the biggest country of the continent of Asia is Russia. Okay, this whole is the area that is occupied by Russia. So students, I hope you all have understood the location of all these countries on the world map, and you all can practice this at your home as well. I hope you have found this video very interesting, and we have also learned about the directions, different directions, that is north, south, east and west. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and have learned the locations, and have I hope you all will be able to locate the countries on the world map by this time. So thank you.